Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to save any web page for offline view in any Android smartphone. So without any further delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open the Play Store. In the Play Store you need to search for one application named as Opera. So you can see on the first, just tap on it. So you click install. As I've already installed in my Android smartphone, so I'm not going to do it again. So if you have not downloaded and installed this Opera browser, so you install it. So once the installation is done, click open. So on opening, let's open one web browser. Say I'm opening directly as I'm already using this Opera browser. So suppose I open one website like this kind of website. So sometimes what happens, you want to save some articles or any other articles that you see in the respective websites. So what you need to do, say I just selecting this. So as you can see, this is one article. Say I like this article and I want to save it for my offline view. That means when I turn off my internet, I can view this page as exactly as it is, even the pictures, everything. So what you need to do to save it as an offline page, now you can see here 3 dot options. Now you can see here offline page, just tap on it. Now it is being saved as an offline, as you can see in the notifications. Now what I will do is I'll just turn off my internet network, that is my internet data. Now let me close the Opera and let me open, but let me show you first. I have no more internet connections right now, so whether we can view it completely or not, let's check out. So when you are viewing in the website, so it don't display. So now what you need to do is tap on this button. Now you can see here offline pages, just tap on it, and here you can see the offline pages that just you have saved. Just click on it here. Now you can see, voila, now you can read completely any web page that you have saved offlinely. Now for this you don't need internet connections to read your respective articles that you have saved from respective websites for your offline view. So in this way you can save any web page for offline view in any Android smartphone. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.